Hi everyone, Miss Mallory again over here at the Idaho Falls Public Library. Today we are going to do a project that lets us talk a little bit about space. Before we get started though, I want to talk about some books that we have here at the library that can help you learn about space or just tell some fun stories about space. We have Did You Know? Space. That's available in our nonfiction collection. You can come in and check it out or you can request it and we'll set it aside for you. We have Life on Mars, a story by John Agee in our picture book collection that talks all about space and what it would be like to live on Mars. Our next one that we're featuring today is called Spaceopedia. That's another one in our nonfiction collection where you can learn a ton of facts about space. We have a really cute picture book by Steph Wade. It's called A Place for Pluto. You might know that Pluto isn't actually considered a planet like some of our other ones are. It used to be though, and this is all about how Pluto deals with that. We've got Earth, Space, Moon Base, another one in our picture book collection. It's by Ben Joel Price. And we also have Totally Wacky Facts About Planets and Stars. This is another nonfiction one that's really great if you want to learn about space and impress your family and friends with all of the crazy facts that you learned. So today's project is going to be making a paper planet. So this one is a really simple project. It's not going to take very long at all. You might need some help from a grown-up if you're not comfortable using scissors, but otherwise, this is a really easy project to do on your own. To start out with, you need a bunch of things that are different size circles. We've got some cups, we have lids, anything you can find. This is an old film canister, whatever you can find that's circular and that you think is a good size to make your planet. So your first step is going to be to decide what size you want your planet to be. You're going to grab some sturdy paper. This is cardstock. As long as your biggest circle, which is going to be the middle of your planet, is sturdy, you're going to be able to make your other little circles out of any type of paper you want. So you'll start with that. We're going to use one of our biggest circles and we're just going to trace it along there. And you can trace as many circles as you want. It's whatever you want your planet to look like. So we're going to trace our circle and we're going to cut it out. So I have one cutout circle here. And the way that you are going to make your planet, you're going to use that great big circle that you traced. And then all of your other little circles, like this, you're going to go ahead and fold those in half. Then you're going to use a pair of scissors to just cut a little line right in the middle. You don't want to cut it all the way in half. You want your line to leave a little bit of space so that you're able to connect your new circle to your bigger planet. To connect it, all you do is leave it folded in half and slide it on where you cut it. Then you can spread it out to make it look however you want. So we've got a bunch of different size circles and a bunch of different colors here. So this planet is the one that I made to show you what yours might look like. But you can make yours look however you want. A really fun thing to do after you've made your planet is punch a little hole in the top. You can make as many planets as you want or as you have paper for, and you can hang them up to decorate your house or your room. And you can even use your planet to decide what type of planet it is. Who lives there? What kind of food do they eat? Do they need oxygen? Are they like us? What are they? And you can make up a story about your planet. You can write it down. It can just be a story that you tell your family and friends when you have a chance to do that. But that's our really simple space art activity. I hope you enjoyed it.